Alright man, today I'm gonna show you how I made $5,155 in less than an hour. I'm gonna walk you through the setup, how I scaled in, trailed my stop, and locked in profits step by step. No guessing, no emotions, just sticking to the plan. I am looking to buy here. Just waiting for 5-minute time frame confirmation.
Order filled.
I am in. Let's go. Nothing's changed here. Same method. Trading one NQ contract, risking $250 instead of $100. Just giving myself a little extra breathing room for the setup. Same discipline, same plan. Let's see how it plays out. I really like that push. I am adding one con here.
Order filled.
I am moving that stop loss to $250. This is not looking good. Looks like we're about to get stopped out. I like that candle formation. Looks like we're about to push higher. Beautiful push. I'm adding one more contract here.
Order filled.
Don't forget that stop loss. Still keeping it at $250 risk. Let's see if we can get one more leg to the upside. I really like that leg up. I'm adding one more contract here.
Order filled.
See how simple that is? Scaling is the best skill you can learn. Now for the fun part. Trailing that stop loss. If I didn't check myself, I probably want to add more here. But I'm not going to do that. It'll be breaking my rules. Even if everything looks like it's working out, never break your rules. Don't forget to trail that stop loss, bro. Keep trailing now. I'm about to take profit. One move I don't like, and I'm locking it in. No need to get greedy. Securing the bag is the priority.
Order filled.
That's a solid profit for $250 risk. On to the next trade. Let's keep it rolling. After that good trade, barely a minute later, I'm seeing a short setup forming. I'll jump in real quick.
Order filled.
I'm in, shorting, starting with one contract, risking only $250. Let's go. Adding one con here.
Order filled.
That's a bad fill. Let's move that stop at $250. That's a sign of weakness. Give me that rejection candle, baby. Now give me that confirmation. There it is. Beautiful. Since I had a good profit from my last trade, I am adding 2 contracts instead of just one.
Order filled.
But I'm not increasing my risks. Still keeping it in $250. Beautiful push. I really like that. Let's wait for another confirmation. If I get it, I'll add 4 more cons. Nice. Adding more here.
Order filled.
But I'm not done yet. You might think I'm risking a lot more. Nah, bro. Let's move that stop loss back to $250. That's a nice move. We got the momentum. And this is my favorite part. Trailing that stop loss, baby. Since we got the momentum, I want to double up my size. Just waiting for another confirmation. I was about to add, but I didn't like that move. So I'll just take my profits, locked it in. Today's total profit, $5,155. Risking only $250. Not bad for a day's work. How would you have played this setup? Would you have held longer, or locked it in like I did?